What's good, everybody? It's H back with another 12 Hub TV video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content that we are churning out on a now weekly basis. I don't usually say that at the beginning of my videos, but somebody told me I need to do it so I get more subs. Hopefully it works. Today, we are looking at a special edition Jordan mid. It's not really like it's not a 1 or 2. It's sort of something in between. I've never seen it before, but it's different and it's a great collab. It came out alongside the Jordan 2 Maison Chateau Rouge, which came out about a week ago on Nike sneakers. This is the Nike Air Jordan Maison Chateau Rouge Series Mid. Let's go. So, yeah, it's a special edition shoe that came out alongside the Jordan 2 Maison Chateau Rouge. I got this on Nike sneakers. I didn't really see this one anywhere else online, and it dropped internationally on June 24th. So if anybody knows any information on that, I mean, I checked around. I know like N Clothing had some of the 2s and stuff. I missed all the drops internationally, and obviously I was trying to hit up that tag. So I think these are the 2s were $225 or $250 price point, which is crazy. I like that shoe though. This one though is more, like I said, a special edition shoe. It's somewhere in between a Jordan 1, Jordan 2 or something. And it's one that I favor more so than the actual 2 that came out that they collaborated on. And I'll tell you why when we get into the box. So I've not looked at these yet. I'm just going to pop open the box, but it's very, very dope. It says Maison Chateau Rouge, little star there, Jordan Jumpman. Sizing info right here. You better focus. Maison Chateau Rouge, a size 12, Jordan brand. No price on that. I believe these were $110. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I think according to StockX right now, I can't find on sneakers anymore. $110. All right, let's get right into it. Boom. Oh, just open it up. This is dope. I haven't looked at these yet. It says Maison Chateau Rouge right there. It has like a championship ring. I'll try to get that in. I have new camera angles. I can't really. So it has like a ring there with the Maison Chateau Rouge logo encrusted in that with little drawn diamonds. United Youth International League. Some stitching there. This is also a design that is on some of the clothing. The clothing for this is very dope, by the way. I suggest you go cop it. It's still available on Nike. It's not too expensive. I mean, there's a leather coat that's crazy, but I'm not really into wearing Michael Jordan all over my body. Pause. So I'm not going to do that. Got Jordan jumping. Got Jordan palming the ball. It's all good in the hood with that. So yeah, getting right into it. Double wrapping paper. Per special edition shoes usual. And getting in. There's a shoe. Oh man, these are beautiful, man. One thing I do appreciate about this is a special edition, like I said. 110 price point. It's reminiscent. I mean, it's a blazer. It looks like it's just a blazer. To be honest with you, it's a Jordan blazer. Let's not get it twisted. Blazer mid, to be honest. So here it is. Both shoes should be kind of identical. So little story here. These came in 2 different colorways. This is the colorway I went for. The brown ones, I don't know where they released exactly. They're not too expensive resale, but it's a brown, which looks very dope. Goes along with a lot of the gear that they released. So go check that out if you can get it resale. Probably be cheaper than the actual retail release from 110. Not a bad shoe, very high quality. These use a similar color palette to those, which is the Jordan 1 mid Maison Chateau Rouge. And those came out in 2019. It was part of the Fearless pack, and probably one, if not the best shoe. Everybody says the Clot Mid is probably one of the best, but I like that one the most. And then there was also like the Chicago Chicago to UNC, I think. There's a couple of shoes in that pack that were very dope, but I digress. These we're talking about today. This, look at this. It says International United Youth International Maison Chateau Rouge. The pattern on that stuff, that cutout, that perforated, very soft. It's like suede right here, very soft, thin suede. Rubber, like a Converse or blazer, like I said. Little Jumpman right there with the Chateau Maison striping and the MRC, Maison Chateau Rouge on the back. I love saying that, by the way, and I say it all types of wrong all the time. I be like Chateau Maison Rouge, Rouge Chateau Maison, is Maison Chateau Rouge. And correct me if I'm saying that wrong. I took French in high school, so it is what it is. And there it is, Maison Chateau Rouge on the tongue with the stripe. Again, there's a brown version of this that's just as dope. I'm probably gonna try to cop those resale. I'm waiting for it to hit that 125 mark maybe. You know, I'm used to paying top dollar for damn sneakers nowadays because it's just that ridiculous. There's a little messaging on the foot of the sole. It went down in the backyard, 45 and 2. I don't know what that 45 and 2 stands for. Maybe there's a story behind that. I'll put it in the bottom. And then this one, it's upside down. Let's go this way. This is the right foot. There was never any doubt. So 45-2. I don't know what that means. Let me know if you know. But it's different. So yeah, this is weird. I've never seen Jordan Brand or Nike do anything with a Jordan like this. Where they put out like a special edition mid or special edition version of a shoe that's just unique. Again, it's a blazer, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna no cap. It's a blazer mid, to be honest with you, with a Jordan logo, Jumpman logo on it, but it's dope. And I prefer these over the 2s that they put out, even though the 2s got a nice Chicago colorway type of thing going. But 2s to me look like cowboy boots. And you can, I don't know, they're trying to put out more 2s because I believe they're retroing some OG colorways. And once those OGs come out, they want to say that there'll be more hype on them. But these, man, I can't get it. Look at that brown little stripe hit right there. These things are dope, man. Like, I don't know. I want to get another pair, to be honest with you, just to ice one and wear one. I might hit up that stock. And this got like, it's like a varsity coat fabricing here. It's not as furry. It's not with Chanel or whatever. It's not like that thick, but it's nice. So these are definite, like, right to feet, soft leather right here. Beautiful, beautiful shoe. Did not come with extra laces, which is interesting. I know the 2s come with like 3 pairs of extra laces, so maybe that's what you're paying $225, $250 for. Who knows? But these, man, yeah, let me know what you think. I'm just different. When I look at these shoes, I just think different things, and this one's a beautiful one to me. It's a work of art, to be honest with you. Maison Chateau Rouge, yeah, get at me. And shout out to my peoples at Garage Sale. Vintage inspired products. They sell vintage clothing, but they also make amazing original stuff. This is one of their print logo hoodies with the champion on it. Shout out to my man Show Me and Tash, brothers from another to me, that are supplying the streets with that stuff. And you can check out more of their stuff in the link below. They sell vintage on there, which very dope vintage, not trash. I mean, they'll have some real like 1980s Stone Island piece or some 1979 polo like purple horse label thing, right? They go vintage. They go vintage. They might have a vintage damn car on there, man. They might have a DeLorean for sale on their site. Who the hell knows? Love those guys. And check out my other stuff. It's all down there. Yeah. Tell me what you think about this shoe, though. The Maison Chateau Rouge Jordan SP mid thing, special edition thing. It's a beautiful shoe. Yes. Peace.